Good morning, friends. In the last lectures, we studied different process, that is constant volume process, constant pressure process, and constant temperature process, and what is the heat supplied, and what are the changes in the internal energy, and according to the first law of thermodynamics. So, what is the output that we already studied in the last lectures. So, today we will see some of the problems that is related with the constant volume process, constant pressure process, and constant temperature process. That's why today I will take 4-5 problems related with this process. After that, we can study a different process, that is polytropic process and reversible adiabatic process it is. So please note down today's first problems. Problems are easy. You can solve problems by using a basic this relation, this such type of the relations you already studied in the 11th science, 12th science, or maybe during the before 10th standards or in the first years. So simple problems, don't worry about the problems because these are the simple problems and easily you can scores. So that's why I try to solve the problems related with the thermodynamics. Please note down today's first problems. 1 kg of air, 1 kg of air and 27 degrees centigrade, 27 degree centigrade is held in a cylinder 0.8 meter cube. This is the volume capacity, 0.8 capacity. The gas is heated until the temperature becomes 127 degree centigrade. Find the final pressures of air. Find the final pressure of air in the cylinder and its a density, assume R equal to 287 Newton meter per kg Kelvin. So first try to extract what is given. So 1 kg of air, given data. First I will write given data. So what is given? Mass of air, this is 1 kg and 27 degree centigrade. So this is 300 Kelvin. This is 27. This is 0. V1 equal to 0.8 meter cube capacity. The gas is heated until the temperature becomes, means this is initial. You can say this is initial and this is final condition. You can say this is condition. This is final condition, this is initial condition. Now this is M. So that's why I write here final conditions. Now this temperature becomes 127, means this T2 equal to 127 plus 273. This becomes 400 Kelvin, right? And the final pressures of air in the cylinder find. So what is asked? P2 and it's a density. Density asked. So P2 equal to, yes, we can use relations P1 V1 divided by T1 is equal to P2 V2 divided by T2. This is equation. So by using this we can calculate P2 because V2 equal to same 0.8 meter cube. Why this is V2 equal to 0.8? Because same cylinder. Since same cylinder, that's why volume remains same. So by using this formula, so P1 equal to initial mass 1 kg So first we'll before these equations we can use PV equal to one kg of air and 27 is held in a cylinder 0.8 capacity. This is given at 1 bar. Here at 1 bar, please add this is P1 equal to, this is 1 bar. This is also given. So that's why yes, by putting 1 bar equal to this is 1 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per meter squares. You can use this direct, otherwise means by using this formula 10 to the power 5, this is 0.8 T1, this is 300 P2. You can keep this is 1 bar because we are finding out P2, so that's why unit remains same. V2 0.8 and this 400, so this will get cancelled. P2 equal to this is 4 by 3 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per meter squares, and this is 1.33 10 to the power 5 Newton per meter squares, or you can say this is 1.33 bar. P2 equal to. So this is first bit. So what is second bit? Now by using ideal gas equation, ideal gas equation. So what is equation? So we can use any equations because here initial mass is 1 kg. This is given. So means first we can use this is everything is known. P1 V1 into M into R into T1. So here's P1 M divided by V1, this is nothing but the this is volume capital V, and this is R into T1. So this is nothing but the This is density. Right? That's why I can write rho equal to P1 divided by R into T1. Now P1 equal to 1 into 10 to the power 5 divided by R 287, R 287, this is given, and this is 300 temperatures. Density equal to either you can use these equations or you can use P2 V2 equal to MR2. You will get same values, 1 into 10 to the power this is 10 to the power 5 divided by 287 divided by 300. So this is density equal to density of the airs, this is equal to 1.16. So what is unit? This is mass, unit of the mass, kg. And this is meter cube. Kg per meter cube. Density equal to (614). So this is your solution. So such type of the problems may be asked during the examinations. So please try to solve the problems. Next problems, second problems today's. One kg of gas is confined to a constant volume tank initial pressure and volume are volume are 4 bar and 0.21 meter cube respectively. When a heat energy of when a heat energy of 82 kilojoule is supplied to the system is supplied to the system, the final temperature of the gas becomes the final temperature of the gas becomes 127 degrees centigrade, find work done. Second bit, change in internal energy and specific value at constant volume. First I will extract what is given. Given data, mass equal to 1 kg, constant volume tank, initial pressures and volume R. P1 equal to 4 bar and V1 equal to 0.21 meter cube. When it heated, means this is final conditions, means second condition, energy of 82 kilojoule is supplied. Q equal to 82 kilojoule is supplied to the system, and the final temperatures of the gas becomes T2 equal to 127. So this is 400 Kelvin. Find first bit. First bit, what is work done? So work done equal to, this is constant volume at constant volume tank, means this process is the constant volumes. So if we plot this process 1:2, here's 1:2, and this is volume V1 equal to V2. That's why area under this line 0. So because this is constant volumes, so that's why P work done equal to, what is formula? Work equal to P dV, and this dV equal to 0 is pressures multiplied by 0. So work done equal to 0. So this is our first answer. Now second answers, change in internal energy. So according to the first law of thermodynamics, Q equal to, what is formula? W plus U. This is formula. So Q equal to 82 kilojoule, and this work done equal to 0. So that's why internal energy equal to 82 kilojoule. This is second bit. Now we will see third bit, specific volume. For specific volume at constant volume. So specific volume at constant volumes, here's at constant volumes, CV equal to, what is formula? Du divided by dt, and this is for constant volume, right? So du equal to, we already calculate this, 82, and this dt is nothing but, this is the delta t, or you can say this is delta or dt, this is nothing but the delta t, means change in temperatures. So this is equal to 82 divided by mass equal to 1 kg. So this is kilojoule per kg. Kilojoule because 1 kg of a gas, means this is per kg, and this is T2 minus T1, that's why 82 this for T1, this is unknown, so we have to calculate T1. So T1 by using relation, this is given data, P1 V1 equal to mR T1. This P1 equal to 4 bar, 4 into 10 to the power 5, V1 equal to 0.21, M equal to 1, R equal to, this is 287. So that's why T1 equal to what? Four into 10 to the power 5 multiplied by 0.21 divided by 287. This is equal to 292. 292.68. Now we can put this value T2 equal to Kelvin, 400 minus this 292.68, 107.31, 107.31. So this is equal to 0.74641 unit kilojoule per kg Kelvin, and this is correct. So this problem is related with the constant volume process. So we'll see another one problem is related with the constant pressure process. So please note down today's third problem. The gas is this is third problem. The gas is compressed from an initial state of 0.35 meter cube and kilo Pascal, and this is given 105 kilo Pascal to a final state, to a final state of meter cube and to the same pressure, to the same pressure. Determine change in internal energy of gas which transfers 38 kilojoule of heat. The gas is compressed from an initial state of the 0.35 meter cube and 105 kilopascal to final state about 0.9 at the to the same pressures. This is constant volume. At same pressures means constant temperature. Constant pressure, volume decrease 0.35 to final state of 0.14. This is reverse, this is first and this is second. This is on PV diagram. That's why this is V1 and this is V2. Or you can say this is 1 to 2. But this is correct, 1 to 2. You can mark. Here's work done on a system, and this is work done on a systems. So that's why you will get this is negative. Right? But so actually this is 1:2, but this point is to be marked. ठीक है, what will be the point? We'll see what happens. Work done equal to P into dV. All right. So this is 105 and this is dV V1 or V2 minus V1 and V2 equal to this is 0.14 minus 0.35. Directly you will get this is negative, and this is work done by the systems. So that's why this is 0.35 minus 0.14, 0.21 multiplied by 105, and this is 22.05. This is negative kilo Pascal, and this is volume. So unit. Newton kilo 10 to the power 3 Newton per meter square, and this is meter cube. This will get cancelled, and this is Newton meter, means work done equal to kilojoule, because this is kilo pascals, so that's why this is kilojoule, right? So what is next steps? Determine the change in internal energy. Now by applying first law of thermodynamics. What is first law of thermodynamics? Q W plus U. Change in, this is 38 and this is 38, this is minus 22.05 and this is U. So U internal energy equal to 38 plus 22.05, this is equal to 60.05 kilojoule, means internal energy equal to. This is correct, 60.045. We'll see next problems. This is also based on the constant pressures. In an experimental determination, in an experimental determination of specific heat capacity of air at constant pressure 50 gram of air, 50 gram of air at constant pressure, was heated from 14 degrees centigrade, 14 degrees centigrade to 74 degrees centigrade during a period of 300 seconds by a continued electric heating method, the power consumed was 10.04 watts. Determine a bit. Specific heat of air at constant pressure. Specific heat of air at constant pressure. B bit characteristic gas constant R for air. C bit density of air at 0 degrees centigrade and 0.1 megapascal. Take a ratio of specific heat for air equal to means this is Cp minus Cv and this is given Cp minus Cv, this is given ratio above. First, according to the given data, in an experiment determination of specific heat capacity of air at constant pressures, 50 gram of airs. So that's why M equal to 50 gram is 50 into 10 to the power 3 minus 3, this is kg. This is first, and constant pressures was heated from T1 equal to 14 degrees centigrade, and this is T1 equal to 273 plus 14, 287 Kelvin. T2 equal to 74 degree centigrade, 74 plus 273, 7 7 4, 347 Kelvin. During a period of the time, this is given 300 seconds. For continue heating methods, the power consumed was 10 kilowatt. Determine specific. So this power consumed was, so that's why here heat supplied equal to, or Q equal to power consumed multiplied by time. Now see its unit, and this is watt, 10.04 watt. Watt means is nothing but this is joule per second, and time 300, this is second. This second will get cancelled, and this is, you will get Q equal to 10.04 multiplied by 300, this is equal to 3012 joule. So what is asked here? First bit, specific heat of the air at constant pressures. So that's why here we can write heat supplied equal to, because this is known value, and for constant pressures, what is equations? Q equal to mCp into delta T, Q equal to. So I will check this relations. This is correct. So Q equal to, we already calculated, this is 3012, m equal to 50 into 10 to the power minus 3. This Cp, this is to be calculate specific heat of air at constant value. Delta T, this is the temperature difference. So directly we can consider this is 74 minus 14, or Cp equal to 3012 50. Directly I can take, this is 10 to the power 3 and divided by this difference is the 60. Cp equal to, and this is kilojoule, so that's why I will consider this is kilojoule per kg. Kilojoule, and this is 50 gram. That's why 3012 divided by 50 divided by 60, this is 1.04, and this 10 to the power 3 we can consider for kilojoule per Kelvin. Yes, kg per Kelvin considered. Next bit, characteristics gas constant. Characteristics gas constant means R. So here we can use formula because we knows. So what are the during period of the 300 second power consumed? constant pressures 50 gram. Yes, we can use PV this ratio is given Cp minus Cv equal to Cp minus Cv Cp divided by Cv equal to 1.4 because volumes unknown. Cv equal to this is second bit for gas constant. What is equation? Cp minus Cv equal to R. That's why you can take this is common. Cp 1 minus, otherwise this is Cv divided by Cp equal to R, or Cp 1 minus, because this is Cv, Cp minus Cv equal to gamma, and this is R, Cp gamma minus 1 into R, or R equal to, now Cp equal to 1.04, gamma equal to 1.4 minus 1.4, this is equal to R. So this R you will get, and this is in terms of the kilojoule, because we consider this is Cp kilojoule. 0.4 divided by 1.4, 0.2857, 1 divided by answers 3.5 multiplied by 3.5 once again I will check. This is 1.04 multiplied by 0.4 divided by 1.4, this is 0.286, this is kilojoule, otherwise this is 286 joule. This is your second bit, and third bit, density of a air. I can use this space, density of a air at 0 degree centigrade and 0, we can use this formula PV equal to mRT, and this is P1 V1 T1, and that's why this P m divided by V R T1. So it is to be calculate density. So this becomes, this is nothing but the density RT1, or density equal to P divided by RT1. So pressures P1 equal to 0.1 megapascals. Megapascals means multiplied by 10 to the power 6. This becomes Pascal, because this mega 10 to the power 6, and this is 286 joule, and T1, this temperatures, this is given 0 degree centigrade means 273. So it is density 0.1 10 to the power 6 divided by 286 divided by 273. So I got this density equal to 1.28, and this is kg per meter cube. So these are the some of the problems. So in the next lectures I will continue some of the 1-2 problems, and after that we can see the remaining process is the reversible adiabatic process and polytropic process. So that's why today I will stop here. Thank you.